I did another one of those things where I was working on a completely different video, but then came across a problem. This time, I accidentally deleted video footage from my camera, and now I need to recover it. So I figured this may apply to a situation you've encountered. Either way, I need to recover this video, and I thought I would take you along for the ride. So let's get into it. Okay, so I was working on my current project yesterday, and I was going through my camera deleting old footage because I don't normally keep footage on my camera at all. I store it on the computer. Usually what's on the camera is just random video or B-roll clips I was making. What I forgot was I had recorded some video for another channel that I'm starting and completely forgot that footage was on there when I deleted it. And I just realized it while I was in the middle of working on a different project. So I immediately pulled the SD card, and luckily I haven't recorded anything else directly to this SD card since I deleted it, because that could cause a whole new host of problems. If you've ever found yourself where you've made a mistake and accidentally deleted some video footage files, whatever it may be, on a camera, on a flash drive, on your computer, immediately stop using the device, because continued use can rewrite over the files that you're trying to recover. So this little tiny thing here is the SD card from my camera. This is just a reader that I'm putting it into, and I'm going to plug it into my computer, and then we're going to go find some free software to recover it. I'm going to go look for a program called PhotoRec. It is pretty much the go-to for free data recovery. I'm going to go to OG Security. This is the site for PhotoRec. I'm going to come over here to downloads. Looks like there's a beta version out. I'll go ahead and try the beta version. I'm going to click on the 64-bit, which is what I need. And I'm going to save that to a folder in which I created. Now that's downloaded as a zip file, so I'm going to go ahead and extract that here using 7-zip. I'm going to go ahead and open this folder. Inside this folder, I'm going to create a new folder called Recovered Video. Then I'm going to come down here and find the executable, which is PhotoRec_win. Go ahead and run that. It's identifying my disks. It has 3 disks listed here. I can tell by the size that that last one there is my SD drive that I'm trying to recover. I'm going to select it and then hit enter. I'm going to hit enter again and one more time. And then here I'm actually going to change it to the whole disk instead of just the free space. Actually, to save time, I'm just going to switch it back to the unallocated free space, and I'm going to hit enter. Now it wants to select the file where the restored data will be placed, and I created this file right here for recovered video, so I'm going to select that one. I'm going to press C because the destination is correct, and now it is scanning my SD drive. Now this is going to take some time to scan the hard drive, so I will fast forward until it's completed. Alright, it has now completed. 24 files saved and recovered to that folder I created called Recovery. And it also says I'm welcome to donate to support and encourage further development. And I just might do that. So let me go open up the folder that I created. And let's see what's in here. We have a bunch of recovered images and some recovered videos, and I will not bore you with all these videos. I have to go through, find out which one I need. But as you can see here, thankfully I was able to recover lost media on an SD drive. And you can use this same free recovery software for other media, hard drives, SSD drives, whatever you need. And there you have it. Just a quick video on how to recover lost video, but it can also be used for other things, images, documents, whatever your calls may be. Drop me a comment below if you have a better solution, or if this method worked for you. Also drop me a comment below for any future videos you'd like to see. Do me a favor, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and gets me to that 50,000 subscriber goal. Don't forget to check out some of these other video suggestions, and as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.